LuxAlgo just released a new product where we can backtest all of their premium indicators. I am so excited to show you guys. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. Whether you are beginner or advanced trader, technology is our best friend. And LuxAlgo using the technology in the best way they can. And this new product is just crazy. From now on, we can backtest all our ideas and our strategies before we try it on the live market. That's a great thing because it will save a lot of time for us as a traders. Now I will show you how I'm planning to use this great backtesting tool. On my screen you are seeing a 15-minute S&P 500 futures chart. You can see a long signals, long take profits, short signals, short take profits, and also the stop losses, of course, because in the trading there is no 100% win rate, right? So in this video I will be covering up the signals and overlays backtesting system because I use most of the time signals and overlay indicator, which I really like it. So let's dive into that. Sensitivity is 17. Why? Because the strategy tell me that if you trade on the 17 sensitivity, you will get the best results. So I made it 17 and I have backtest window set it to 20,000. In my opinion, the highest number are better because it will backtest more data, right? Signal type is strong, but you can choose normal. AI classifier is enabled. I really like it. This is the recent update from the LuxAlgo 1, 2, 3, 4. I am using it. And smart trail, I disable it. I always use trend tracer and trend catcher if you watched my videos, and I only trade between 9:30 to 4 p.m. Why? Because I only like to trade when the volume is in the house, right? This is for the long conditions. They separated out between long and shorts. It is very nice idea because maybe I will use on the short positions only the smart trail. Maybe in the short conditions I don't like to use trend tracer or trend catcher. So that's a great thing that they separated between long and short filters. And let's continue with the short one. So my signal type is enabled and I choose strong one. AI classifier like always 1, 2, 3, 4. Trend tracer enabled, trend catcher enabled, and of course the bearish ones. And the session is same. This part is very important, the take profits and the stop loss. So I choose the ATR method because I really like the idea and the strategy of the ATR. So I choose ATR, 3 on the take profit, 3 on the stop loss. Also in the short positions it's the exact same numbers. So the great thing is you can play around with whole settings and you can see the real time the backtest result. This is crazy. You don't have to go and sit in front of your computer, take a look at the chart, change the time frame, do it all over again. You don't need to do that. This backtesting system is here for you to do all of this. If you go down, you can see that they have added a built-in exits options. If you use signals and overlays, you will see on your chart a X icon, which is automatically plotted on your chart when you enter short or long position after some time. This is the exact same calculation, exact same method. You can also enable this if you want to see how it performs, right? If you go down, you can see some advanced settings like if you want to maximize the profits or if you want to maximize the win rate. You can change the sensitivity range. It is amazing. And you can put a warm-up period here, and you see this display on the top right corner. I have enabled that, and of course the alerts messages. So if you see a long entry, you will get alert from this strategy, right? It's very great thing. And for all that things like a short entry, exit long, short SL message, and everything you can get a message on. So now let's see what is our win rate on this whole setting. Profit is $12,125, which will give us a 24% increase of our account, and it has put 61 trades and the 60% of them was profitable. And the most important thing here is our profit factor is 1.7, which is very nice. And the drawdown is just 6%, again is very nice because I don't like drawdowns. and the average trade is $200. Very good. These results are for 15-minute time frame. Now let's go up and change the time frame to 30 minutes and let's see how it performs, right? So on 30-minute time frame we got $8,500 profit, 75 closed trades and 54% win rate. We have profit factor of 1.19 and drawdown is 20% and the average trade is $113. What is the message here? What is the catch here? With just one click we understand that trading in 15 minutes with these settings is way better than the 30 minutes. This is a great opportunity for all traders that can backtest their all ideas in signals and overlays indicator. I will put the link in the description how you can get access to this whole thing, and the best thing is you can test this for 30 days risk free. If you don't like it, you can get your money in 30 days, no questions asked. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching those videos, and until the next time, see you soon.